Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into TRUEPNL, the platform, the project, what is it, and how to get involved. So the first thing we're going to say is ConsenSys is the leading Ethereum software company that enables developers, enterprises, and people worldwide to build next-generation applications, launch modern financial infrastructure, and access the decentralized web. This is the first time when TRUEPNL hosts a late-stage equity offering on TRUEPNL, meaning you can invest in a large business along with top-tier investment professionals. This opportunity to invest in a share that interest contract backed by the actual shares of ConsenSys, just like stablecoins are backed by actual dollars. So there's a lot of reasons why people are getting involved, and there's a lot of reasons as to why you guys should learn a little bit more about it at the very least. So the first thing we're going to see here is TRUEPNL is a launch pad that really has been around since September 21st. And during that time, they've had over 50,000 users join them. Launched over 50 plus sales with an average all-time high of 10x plus. On the website, we can see the statistics of some of these previous sales as well if we actually looked for them. And there's a lot of great projects that are still coming out on TRUEPNL. So we can see here, Legends of Area, ConsenSys Share Contract, you can see actually right here. And there's so much more really at a glance that you can take a look at when it comes to the TRUEPNL platform. There's a lot of reasons, like I said, that ConsenSys sale is going to be a very top-tier investment funding kind of late-stage company that owns MetaMask idea around it. So we have opened the sale of tokenized ConsenSys shares through the TRUEPNL platform. $149 is the share contract price. You can see that here is the price of one share contract. The one share contract allows you to get profit from ConsenSys share sale after the IPO. So like I said, guys, there's a lot of reasons people are getting involved with the ConsenSys share, and there's more reasons as to why it might have a huge success. So the $149 share price of the underlying asset gives you entry into the ConsenSys at a valuation of $7 billion. That is almost the price as in the latest round. So just crazy to think about. We also have, this is the first time, kind of late stage offering on TRUEPNL, meaning that this is really the first time you've had a large business opportunity to invest with other huge top-tier investment professionals, being Verify Capital, MasterCard, Amazon Web Services, JP Morgan, Chase & Co., UBC, Coinbase, and so many more. We also see this as an opportunity to share an interest contract backed by the actual shares of ConsenSys, just like actual dollars backed by stablecoins. So how will the users actually get their shares? And they will not actually get the shares at the same time. So 183 days after the IPO, the shares will be sold. The TRUEPNL carry will be deducted, and the amount will be airdropped to the investors' wallets. 183 days is the vesting of the TRUEPNL's allocation. So you can actually see that there's so much potential in what you're seeing here because of the partnerships and investors already on board as well. So MasterCard, AWS, JP Morgan, Chase & Co., Microsoft, UBS, Coinbase, so many more. If we actually take a look, though, into kind of the about and the revenue and all of these different things that they give you kind of access to and details to and info really on, TRUEPNL's kind of giving you an idea on a project that has massive potential. So ConsenSys business model actually has two main divisions. You have the ConsenSys software being MetaMask, Infura, Truffle, Diligence, CodeFi, Quorum. You have ConsenSys Mesh being really a business incubator, the really venture capital arm of ConsenSys altogether. Launched in 2015, has over 150 plus companies in the portfolio, and so much more. So like I said, guys, there's a lot to really jump into and learn here. So I'm not going to jump into too much. I want you guys to do some of your own researches. I always suggest that very highly on this channel. I'm going to give you kind of the big aspects, the big info, but you guys need to dive in, do the nitty-gritty details, and see if it's something you want to get involved with. Do remember, though, Legends of Aria was on that front page. It's a really fully developed MMORPG in the process of moving on chain. They have Iconic, which is a cross-chain. Let me go back to these actually while I talk about them. But you have Iconic, which is a cross-chain platform providing a seamless NFT creation experience for gamers of all levels. And they have so much more available here on the site. So definitely take a look at all of these different kind of projects, and you can actually click this Explore Our Projects, and it'll take you through all of it. So you have Rewater, UnoFarm, Liber, and much more. So feature projects on the TruePNL, price on TruePNL, price all-time high, ATH ROI you can see as well. So a lot of these projects did really, really well. As you can see here, as we go all the way down, all you see at the bottom is a 2x at the very lowest. So you're still making a nice amount at the all-time high ROI. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I do want to say, if you haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. And we'll have all links down for this project and this website, this platform, down in the description below, so you guys can learn a little bit more about it yourself. I know it was a lot of information, but we always try to make these videos quick and as informative as possible. So thank you again for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next one.